Welcome back to class, everyone. Today we are going to discuss Unit 7, which is lifelong learning. The meaning of lifelong learning means someone who learns for the whole life. They never stop studying. There is always something that you want or you need to study throughout your life. And lifelong learning is an attitude, not just spirit, but attitude. We are going to study for the whole life. That is how we activate our brain so that we don't get old soon. As you can see here, there's a woman, a young woman, studying and smiling, looking very enthusiastic about what she's doing. And then there is a man reading on the internet, and a group of young boys learning how to play baseball, and even adults in class studying again, back to school. Studying is refreshing. Studying is so fun. In the chart, you have several words to learn. The first one is an assignment. Are you going to say do an assignment, take an assignment, or get an assignment? So you're going to see the difference between do, take, and get. Now, yes, assignment, you use do. I do an assignment. A report card, you say get a report card. A class, you say take a class. Lessons, you say take lessons. A degree, you say get a degree. Notes, you say take notes. A test, you say take a test. Research, you say do a research. An exercise, you say do an exercise. A tutor, you say get a tutor. Homework, you say do homework. A failing or passing grade, you say get a failing or passing grade. Our next exercise is listening from 2A. I would like you to put the speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3, speaker 4 next to the number. For example, speaker 1 is going to talk about a story, and you can find the phrases or sentences said by this person. Then you can write speaker 1 in the corresponding number. Then I will give the listening material on a separate file. In lesson 3A, complete the phrases and expressions with the words and phrases from the box. We have steep. Steep means sudden change. For example, from low to high, but suddenly, steep. Perfect. Strict. Strict means discipline, hard. By doing is by the activity, by the process that you are experiencing. Hard, fast, and up. So number 1, for people, we say a fast learner. Some people learn fast, some people learn slow. That is about a person. Number 2, perhaps a strict teacher. A teacher who always wants you to do things perfectly, on time, every time, every day. Now, related to ways of learning, number 3, you say practice makes perfect. It means if you practice all the time, you do it over and over and over again, then it becomes our mechanic skill. So mechanically, we can do it because we practice. Number 4, it's a steep learning curve. It means, for example, in this pandemic, you have to learn very quickly in such a limited time, very quickly. I did not know about video making, but now I know it because I practice. However, that is a steep learning curve for me. You must have something like that as well. Number 5, learn by doing. Number 6, I think this one is learn by heart. It means you can memorize everything so well. Learn by heart. Number 7, pick up. Pick up, for example, pick up a language is when you can learn some language easily. Sometimes it seems effortlessly. In exercise 4A, think about a good or bad learning experience you have had. Make questions from the cues below. So you have these cues. Number 1, what, learn, why. It means I would like you to build up critical thinking, but in English. Of course, you can ask these questions easily in Khmer, but sometimes in English, you don't have words to say. Number 1 here, what, learn, why. What did you learn? Why did you learn that? Number 2, why experience good, bad? Why was that experience good, or why was that experience bad? Number 3, how you learn. How did you learn? Number 4, was it easy or difficult to learn? Number 5, how did you make progress? I'm going to use these questions in a paragraph writing in our assignment. So you can try to think of your experience, your learning experience in the past, and you answer these questions as your guideline to your paragraph. Only 5 to, I don't know, maybe 7 sentences. Don't write too long, but try to answer all these questions. Next is reading. Mistakes that work. Sometimes we find something accidentally, but it works for us. In learning, sometimes we accidentally find out an answer to our question, and then that works. So, mistakes that work. Please read the article here and answer the questions that follow that I have written in the assignment. Alright, so I think that is it for today. Thank you for following my lesson and good luck with your submission.